What's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna actually finally be doing like a face makeup routine. It's gonna be the one that I've been using in like all of my most recent videos. So yeah, I already started with my brows and my eyes because obviously it's not an eye makeup routine. But yeah, so let's get started with the foundation. I'm gonna be using this Kosas foundation. It's the Revealer Skin Improving Foundation with SPF 25. Kosas is kind of amazing because it has like skincare benefits. It's kind of like skincare but foundation at the same time, which I love that. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, squalane, provitamin B5, arnica, caffeine, artemisia flower. Don't worry about that last one. Basically amazing skincare. So yes, I fucking love her. But yeah, I'm gonna just start with the foundation. It's not really full coverage, but it does cover up all of my blemishes, which I love, but then it still gives you like this skin-like finish. Literally my favorite. It's my go-to like forever. And it's pretty glowy and dewy, which I love because I have super dry skin. I'm gonna zoom you guys up so you can really see what that looks like. I know you're supposed to go down onto like your neck, but I honestly never put foundation on my neck because I feel like I'm just like too clumsy, and like once I put clothes on it's like wraps. So yeah, anyways, this is what it's looking like once it's all blended. Like it looks like my skin but better. Chef's kiss. Then next is contour. For contour, I always use the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Amber Suede. Also, by the way, the Kosas foundation is in light neutral 140. I'm literally almost out of this. I'm literally obsessed with these matchsticks because they literally blend out so easy, and it works really well with the Kosas foundation. Like they play really well together, so you don't have to worry about like separation or anything. None of that weird shit. And for the brush to blend this all out, shit, I want to say it's the Morphe M489 brush, but it's a little bit like smudged off, to be honest. And then just make sure you like pat it in. Like don't rub and smear the product all over the place. Just like pat straight into the skin, and it'll give you like the most airbrushed finish. Like look how beautifully that blends. Like get the fuck out of here. Like I'm not the type to tell you need something, but like this whole base routine, you fucking need it. Like you need it. Don't knock it till you try it, because I promise you it'll be worth it. At least for my dry skin girlies, because I don't really know about oily skin. Like I don't know if this might be like too glowy for you guys, but I feel like it's not that bad. I still set with powder and like everything. Damn, I did forget primer. Sometimes I really don't use primer. It's like hit or miss. If I do use primer, it's either this Dior Backstage primer or like that Milk Hydro Grip, but I did just get this one. I wanted to try it today, but I guess not. Okay, now I'm gonna set the places where I did the contour with this Haus Labs Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer. It's in medium level 8, but I love these bronzers because they're not too warm, so it's like still good for contour. And I'm not like a big bronzer girl. Like I definitely like it to look more like cool toned. And I think the lady at Sephora was saying that this has like yellow undertones in it, so I think that's what gives it like less warmth. I don't really know. Don't ask me. And same thing, like you want to just tap. Like you do not want to just rub shit around. Super snatched. I don't really like putting it on my forehead that much unless I'm doing like a super like bronzed like full coverage look. So we're gonna skip that. Okay, so I just finished the nose contour. If you do want to see that, let me know and I will make a video. And I do like a pretty intense nose contour, so I don't want to fucking hear it. I don't want to hear it. I love it like this. So now the face is starting to come together a little bit. I'm gonna add some blush. I've literally been dying over this blush. Like, this blush has me in a literal chokehold. It's the Glow Play blush from MAC in Totally Synced. It looks like this. It's a little, she's a little dirty. I'm honestly embarrassed. Don't even look at her, but the color, it's like the perfect, like, cool pink. And I like to use this brush from Morphe. I think it's the M462 brush. Like, this is so pretty. Like, it's so, like, light and natural, but it's, like, everything I could ever ask for. And I'm kind of, like, bringing it over on my nose. Kind of blend the nose contour just, like, the teensest bit more. Now for concealer, I like to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in, it's the Cool Pink Corrector. So this is how I do like the pink under eye. I only use this on the under eyes. It's like super brightening and I feel like it blends like really pretty into the blush. And then for the concealer that I put on the forehead and on my chin, I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 150. And I think I'm using like these e.l.f. beauty sponges. I want to say this was also part of it. I want to say these were part of the same package, but I could be wrong. But I love the e.l.f. sponges. They're literally just as good as the beauty blenders, but like $8 instead of like 20. Like, it's so cute. I literally love it. I like to, I don't know if you see like the hollowness like under here, but I like to put it right over that. I really just blend it like in place. But I feel like these two together are like the perfect combination of like eye brightening that I need, because I definitely have some crazy eye bags. So this really, I feel like, helps. For powder, I like to use this Laura Mercier powder. It's the same as like the original one, but it's talc free, so it's like healthy, or at least it's supposed to be, and it's ultra blurring, so yeah, we love her. And I'm gonna be using this, it looks honestly disgusting at this point, but I'm gonna be using this powder puff. But before I do that, I'm gonna blend one more time just to make sure there's no creases under my eyes, because there usually is. And then I just press that on to like my entire under eye area to make it super like smooth and blurred. And I even blend it into the blush a little bit. And of course, the corner of my nose and my smile lines. But basically I'm gonna set everywhere that I put concealer, and the rest I'm gonna keep without. Oh, also I'm gonna put powder on my nose contour because I feel like it's a little shiny, and you don't really want contour to be shiny like that. And then I'm gonna take some powder up here where I concealed and built my brows. And since I didn't use powder contour, I'm gonna also set the Fenty contour stick. But yeah, that's basically how I get it to look like buttery smooth. Fucking love it here. So now that everything's set, I like to go in with another blush on top. You can leave it like this if you want like a super subtle like blush look, but I don't know. I'm in the mood. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used the Glow Play in and just go right on top. You can even blend it into your under eye area a little bit if you like the pink under eye look. I definitely do. Oh, by the way, this is the NARS blush in Thrill. It's like a super cool pink. And I'll run it over my nose a little bit also. So now for highlight. Okay, I'm really about to put you guys on because this highlight from Benefit, it's in Cookie, is literally the best highlighter. It's like so freaking bright and blinding. And then this brush is I got it from Amazon. I think it's called Dough Color. I want to say it's a number 6. I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna just put this underneath my brow bone just to give me some more lift. I'm gonna also put it on my inner corners. And then I just use like whatever's left over and put it on top of my lips. This is pretty much the full look. Like for base, this is really all I do. The only other thing I'm gonna add is setting spray, but I'm gonna do that after I finish like the rest, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just did my hair, and this is the base makeup that is basically like my go-to, but it's also the one that I've been using in all of my like most recent videos from this year at least. Yeah, I'm gonna just let it speak for itself. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Again, don't knock it till you try it. But yeah, this is the final look, the final base routine of my motherfucking dreams. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see these things. Yeah, so this is basically it. I fucking hate outros. All right, love you guys. Have a good day.